Hello, and welcome to the Wind Environmental Services Wind Image Video Support Series. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of imprinting images in the Wind Image software package. The imprint window allows users of all skill levels to imprint text, logos, image EXIF, tag data, and more onto your images. You can also save this imprinting layout for future use, such as having Wind Image automatically apply this imprint layout onto your images while generating an image integrated feature class or an Esri shapefile. With Wind Image loaded and the appropriate image folder selected, let's choose a couple of images to imprint, and we'll start by clicking the Imprint Images button. Now that we're in the Imprint Image screen, you'll notice the hatch type area on the screen. This is the average size of the images you've loaded, so that any logos or text boxes that you add in this imprint window will appear in the same location in each of your photos. Let's start the process by adding a company logo. Let's go to Insert Picture, select our logo, and open it. Now we can place this logo anywhere on the image we choose, but that'll work for the purpose of this demonstration. And due to the resolution of the original image, I'm going to enlarge the logo slightly. That should work. Next, let's add the date and time the image was taken. Let's put in date and time. And to make it easy, we'll use the date-time quick tag. But before we add this to our layout, let's change the font size to make it easily readable. That should work. Let's insert this box, select it, and I'm going to drag it over here off to the side of the logo. That'll work. Next, let's add the GPS coordinates from this image. Let's add the latitude, and this time we'll select the GPS quick tag for latitude, and let's add the longitude as well. Let's insert this, select it, and let's drag it over here underneath the date and time. Once again, probably not the ideal location, but it'll work for this demonstration. To see what our image will look like, let's hit the preview button. In the image preview screen, we see what our image will look like with the new imprint. And if we're happy with this, we can click Imprint Images to make the change permanent. But I don't like the way this turned out, so I'm going to close the imprint window and go back to the main window. Let's take the date and time. I don't like the color of it. Let's go up to text color. I select the box, go to text color. Let's make the text color yellow and the background color black. That should make it much more visible. Let's do the same thing to the latitude and longitude box. Once again, we'll make the text yellow, background black. Okay, that'll work. Now, if you mess up on a field or you want to change a field, you don't have to delete it and start over. You simply select the field you want to change, like I want to get rid of this and sign. Let's change that to the spelled out and click Update. This allows you to update changes at any time without having to remove anything. Since that's done, let's see what it looks like on the preview screen now. Now on the preview screen, I'm happy with the way this turned out, and I want to go ahead and use this. Let's go ahead and imprint the image, but before we do, let's see what the others will look like. Since I selected multiple images when I started, we'll use the arrows to scroll back and forth, and we'll see what they look like. That'll work for me. Let's click Imprint Images to imprint this. And our window popped up, Images Imprinted. Okay, sounds good. If you'd like to save this imprint layout for future use at another time, let's click on the Save button. Now let's choose an output location for this, which that'll work right there. That's fine. Now let's insert a name for the imprint file. And let's save it. This concludes our Wind Image imprint video demonstration. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or issues, please email us at support@windenvironmental.com. Have a good day.